Hi, I'm Connor McNeil from Georgian Bay Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, and today I'm going to take you for a virtual tour of this 1990 35-foot Sea Ray Sundancer, offered for sale by Georgian Bay Yacht Sales by United City Yachts. We are Canada's largest yacht sales network. Now let's take a look at this boat. Now, if you'd like a private tour of this boat, you can contact me by email, which is connor@georgianbayyahtsales.com, or you can visit our website, georgianbayyahtsales.com, for more information on the boat. There'll be the full specification write-up, the 360 photos, the regular photos, and of course, this virtual tour. If you'd like a private tour of this boat, you can either contact me through that email, through the listing, or you can call me directly on my cell phone, which is 705-427-9025. I'd love to get you on board, and I can't wait to meet you. Thank you.